Hey, do you want to learn how to connect GitHub to Claude AI? In this video, I'll show you how to do it. It's going to be a step-by-step guide. So first, you need to go over to claude.ai and over here, start up a new chat. Inside here in the prompt bar, you'll find this plus icon. Click on that. Then go over to connectors, hover on it, and then go to manage connectors. Open it up. Right here, you'll find GitHub integration. One thing you need to keep in mind is that this is a read-only access. So you would not be able to make an app, push it to GitHub. It does not work that way. It can only read the repositories, and then based on the code there, can make changes and give you the code, but it would not be able to push it to GitHub from the web app itself. So let's say I connect it from here. So need to press on this connect button and then scroll down. You'll find authorize, click on that. And that is it. It's now connected. Now, once it's connected, press on this plus button again. You'll find add from GitHub right here. But before that, I'm going to go over to github.com and then on it, let's press on this open menu, go to all repositories, and then press on this new repository right here. And let's type in this Claude to do demo. And if you scroll down, you'll find all of this configuration. Let's add a README file and create a repository. Once that is done, in your repository, you'll find a readme.md file. That's all you will see it here. Now let's go over to Claude again. Press on this plus button, add from GitHub, select a repository, select your new repository that you have, and then add repository from here. And once you've done that, you need to type in all of this text right here. I have attached my blank repository. Please create a beautiful, modern, single page to-do list app. Put the HTML, CSS styling, and JavaScript functionality all inside one single file. So it is easy for me to deploy. Make it look clean and professional. So let's just do this. And let's press on this send button. All right, so our app is made. And you can see this index code HTML file. You can download it from here. And you can also preview the app on the right hand side. So take a look at the website, the app here, and we should be able to tick mark these things. You can make changes to your code if you want. And once you're completely satisfied with your code, you will need to download the HTML file. So you can do it from here on the left hand side or on the top right, you'll find this copy button. Right next to it, you'll see this drop down. Click on it. And it's going to show you this download as HTML. Click here, and it's going to download the .html file. Now on your repository page, you need to press on the dot on your keyboard, the dot button, and then it's going to turn it into vscode.dev. Now you need to allow the access, continue, authorize Visual Studio Code, verify via email. Now all you need to do is just put the code over here and then verify. And that is it. Now you would be able to drag and drop the files here and such. So for example, I got this index.html file. I can drag and drop it right here. Now, once you're done, press on the source control right here. And then in message field, type in this, add to do app, and then commit and push. And that is it. Now, if we go over back to GitHub, in our repository, we will find this index.html file right here. Now, let's say you want to view your website. You want to host it online. You can do that. You can go over to Netlify, then go over to your dashboard, add new project, import a Git repository. Let's press on authorize. Authorized. Great. Now, all repositories install. And now you should be able to select this Claude to do demo right here. Project name to do Claude. Yeah, this works. Then just go down all the way and deploy to do Claude. All right, it's working. Let's check it out. And there you go. It works. All right, now as it is read-only access, you can go back to Claude. If you want to make some changes to your code, you can do that. So add from GitHub, Claude to do demo, add repository, and then you can ask it what you want changed in the code. For example, maybe you want to add a dark mode functionality, dark to light mode functionality like that. Something like this, add a theme switcher, dark mode to light mode functionality for my app in index.html. Let's send it. And that is it. Once it's done, it will give you this index.html file again. Now it says here, I can't push directly to this, so just replace your existing file and do the same thing. So what we did before, you need to do all of that again in order to replace this index.html file. You just need to go over to your GitHub repository again and then press on the dot button, and then it will take you over to the VS Code dev. Open up your index.html file and then replace the code from here. Just need to press on this code button, copy all of this code and replace it in your index.html file in your VS Code, and then commit the changes. After that, go over to Netlify, update it, and it should work. So right here, it has made this app changes, and I should be able to change from dark mode to light mode. So yeah, it's working fine. And yeah, that's it. That's how to connect GitHub to Claude AI. And I've showed you how to push the code, as there's no direct push, so I've showed you a workaround for that. I hope this video helped. If it did, let me know with a like and comment. And on the right hand side, you can find more Claude AI or GitHub related guides and fixes. See you there. Bye for now.